To news now from the breadbasket parish St. Elizabeth, where farmers suffered millions in losses after fire gutted farm produce, farmlands, homes and equipment. The details in this report.
Just as some farmers from Queensberry in St. Elizabeth began to recover from Hurricane Beryl, they've been dealt another devastating blow. A fire on Saturday destroyed 20 acres of farmland. 2 houses were also damaged. According to reports, about 12:30 p.m., someone lit an open flame along the main road, which quickly spread to the nearby farms. TVJ News understands firefighters from Santa Cruz and Black River battled the blaze for over 2 hours.
When we come around here, you can see all the devastation where everything was just blazing. And when we come to the farm and look, see that about a quarter of the drip hose and everything burn off, and family land, everything just burn. Uncle greenhouse, board house and everything burn. And it was just devastation.
About 6 farms are really damaged, because this is the time people just are putting crop and prepare land to put in crops. So all the grass burn off. We have to use mulch place to keep the moisture and keep them weed. So we need some support, some help.
The farmers lost scallion, watermelon and the drip hose they use for irrigation. But even before Saturday's fire, the farmers have been battling another issue.
With the melon now, after the melon start to grow out, eventually after about 2 or 3 weeks, then the leaves start curl up, start get yellow up, and the care where you try to spray it after that, you just go right down the hill. Can't get any better with it. And that is upon the past, just after the hurricane is starting.
That's why nobody at all don't even want to try and plant melon again, because this is what they're fighting for, you know. Just fighting every day, try to fight to see what we can get done. Nothing just get worse.
The farmers are appealing to RADA for help. Janella Precious, TVJ News.